Feeling creatively stuck? Searching for ways to reignite your imagination? Stay tuned because in today's episode, we're diving into Julia Cameron's groundbreaking guide, The Artist's Way. This is not just a book, it's a 12-week journey to unlock your creative potential. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss a new audiobook summary. Let's unleash the artist within, art. Welcome to AudiobookZoneBD. Today, we're exploring The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron, a transformative guide designed to help you recover your creative self. Whether you're a writer, painter, musician, or just someone seeking inspiration, this book offers tools and exercises to unblock your creativity. 1. The Foundation: Creativity as a Spiritual Practice. Cameron argues that creativity is a natural state for all of us, but fears and self-doubt often block our expression. To overcome these blocks, we must nurture our connection with a higher power, whatever that may mean to you. This book isn't just about art, it's about reclaiming joy and freedom in your life. 2. Morning pages: Your daily ritual. One of the cornerstone practices is writing morning pages. Every morning, write 3 pages of free-flowing thoughts. Don't censor yourself. This is a brain dump to clear mental clutter and connect with your inner voice. It's not about writing well, it's about writing honestly. 3. The Artist Date: Nurturing your inner child. Set aside time each week for an artist date. This is a solo activity meant to inspire and delight you. Visit a museum, watch a movie, or take a walk in nature. Think of it as a play date with your creative self. 4. Overcoming creative blocks. Cameron identifies common blocks like fear, self-criticism, and perfectionism. She provides practical exercises, such as affirmations, to counter these negative beliefs. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not good enough," you tell yourself, "I am willing to create and learn." 5. Synchronicity: Trusting the process. As you commit to the practices, you'll notice synchronicities, unexpected opportunities or insights that guide you. Cameron believes these are signs of alignment with your creative flow. Trust them. 6. The journey, not the destination. Remember, this is a 12-week program, but the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Each week builds on the last, helping you explore and expand your creativity. The Artist's Way is more than a book, it's a creative toolkit for life. Are you ready to unlock your artistic potential? Start by committing to the simple practices of morning pages and artist dates, and watch your creativity flourish. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AudiobookZoneBD, and share it with fellow creatives. What's your favorite tip from The Artist's Way? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating.